Okay, this is for GoodEreader.com, the video of the newest Nook, the Simple Touch Reader. What would you like to tell me about it?
Yeah, so this is the new Nook, fully touch enabled. It has 50% greater contrast than the first edition of Nook. Everything is touch enabled and very ergonomically designed to fit in one's hand. It's very light, so this is less than 7.5 ounces. It's ultra light, 35% lighter than the first edition of Nook, 15% thinner than the first edition of Nook. On the bottom here, you'll see that I can actually see content recommended from my friends. And so there's pictures of my friends from their Facebook account. I can actually read what I've looked at most recently, or I can see what has come in recently if I subscribe to a newspaper or a magazine, or if I've recently bought a title. So I can actually select the content that I've looked at most recently, and I can navigate it simply by touch, by swipe, or I can use tactile buttons on either side of the device. And these are customizable for someone that might be left-handed, or someone that might have the preference from their paperback reading experience of holding the device in a certain way.
Okay. We had an article recently on GoodEreader.com about homebound elderly and how e-readers can help them. Speak about how this new Simple Touch Reader, why that was marketed to people who just want to read.
Absolutely. Yeah, so this is, touch has always been part of the Nook line, and this is the simplest e-reader that we have available. Everything is navigatable by the device, and you can actually, for the elderly, someone that might have sight impairment could actually change the font on the fly. They can modify that as they're going along during the course of reading, and very quickly make the image much larger and more legible for them.
Now, it was also mentioned that if I were to purchase a Simple Touch Reader, that all my content from previous generations would be available instantly. I don't have to take any steps.
That's absolutely correct. As soon as you register the device, you're able to sync the device, and the library on the device will actually contain the content that you had previously.
Thank you very much once again for Good E-Reader at the book Barnes & Noble Nook Reveal.